Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Esther's Diaries. My name is Esther, and today I'll be showing you guys how I made these lovely braids. Like, guys, this is not your usual twist braid. This is actually a bit different, and the reason why it is different is because it helps to really protect the ends of your natural hair, and it's not done the usual way that you used to it. Trust me, if you check out this video, you will see exactly why I said so. Trust me guys. And another reason why I want to show you guys this method is because it actually will stay longer. It should stay fresh for a longer period of time, because your hair is not actually intertwined in all of this. And guys, if you've ever taken out braids, you realize that at some point when you're taking out the extensions, you realize that your hair is kind of stuck to the extensions and you're trying to separate that. Now this style is going to avoid that, so that whenever you're taking out your braids, you have like a really smooth transition when you're taking out your hair, separating your hair and the braid. It's going to be so much easier, guys. So guys, for this hairstyle, I would recommend that you use the Brazilian wool. It's usually what it is called. There you go, Brazilian wool. Yes, because the Brazilian wool has a smoother texture, not just texture, has a softer texture that can actually feel more comfortable, that actually feels more comfortable than the usual hair extensions. I would prefer you use the Brazilian wool, like Brazilian yarn wool, or the usual yarn wool for hair wool that you could use for also making sweaters or something. So that's my recommendation. So guys, I'm just gonna jump right into this video and show you how to look this fresh, guys. Trust me guys, you're going to love this video.
So guys, first things first is I start braiding my own hair. So guys, I make single braids with just my hair, no extensions. I do the 3-piece braid at the bottom, like do the normal braiding at the bottom, and after like 3 to 4 reps, I start twisting up, down, like all the way down to the end of my hair. I do the braids at the bottom, like the braid at the bottom, because I want the hair to be firm at the bottom of my head. If you should start doing the twisting from the bottom of your hair, your braid will not be firm at the bottom of your hair. You get it, right? Good. And don't forget to moisturize the tips of your hair, that's the ends of your hair. It is really important. If you're going to avoid hair breakage, don't forget to use some shea butter or some heavy cream to moisturize the tips of your hair, because remember, this hairstyle will be on for a while, so really moisturize your hair to keep it healthy. So now I am on the last braid. Like I said guys, don't forget to braid the bottom of your hair. That's a 3-strand braid at the bottom of your hair, and while you walk down, you start twisting. The reason for changing to twist for me is because I would like to be able to take out this hair easily later. The 3-strand braid is a bit more difficult to take out at the end, but the twists are easier for your natural hair.
So guys, the next step now is to fix in my, where is it? This one. So I'm going to cut it in a bit, right? And first of all, I have to count how much I have in my head, so I can kind of estimate how much of my Brazilian wool that I need. Guys, it's late at night, but this hair has to be done. Good enough, I'm on holiday. So guys, this is how you hold it, remember? Try to make one side shorter so that the pulling will be much easier. And take the hair you want. Guys, I'm just going to take one take right in. Take that and take it out and pull out that good. So get the hair, make it equal on both sides.
try to hide the hair here in this one, and you go ahead and twist like normal.
So guys, I just take an extra strand from the waist hair I had earlier, the one that's waist, like the one I was going to throw away. Picked it up. I'm just going to add it towards the end so that I can have enough hair to tie it at the tip. So just twist that right in with the rest of the hair. I'm just going to take this one that is the longest because this is more comfortable for me. Take it around, then give it like 2 to 3 knots, and we're done. So this is going to be 1 knot, 1 knot, the second knot, the third one, just to be safe, and done. And I'm going to take my scissors there and just chop it right there. Poof, like a baby brush, and let it go. So done. Move on to the next. So guys, on to the last one. So this is what I've been doing, guys, all through the braid, just putting it only into one, like just one time putting. The 2-time one I think is so time consuming and even more painful than I thought, so I'm just doing this one time. Okay, so put it in the hook right there, close the latch and pull through gently. Right, and pull it out until it's equal. So now I have tied it. I think I tied it up like twice or so, but that works. And the next step is to trim and chop. So I have my scissors, trim and chop. Yeah. So guys, I am done. Yes, I have 2 colors. See? So I have to burn these edges here to make sure that they don't open up later on, and just to give it a more cleaner look. you know, like doesn't, so it doesn't look like all fuzzy all the time. You see right there, it looks like the brush, but by the time I put it in hot water, it will look a lot better. Let's go.
For the quality of this video, I literally made this video at midnight, and it accounts for the dark and not very bright nature of the video. So I'm sorry guys, but I'm sure you learned something from this video, right? Yeah.
Hi guys. Whew, it was a whole lot of work doing this hair, guys. I literally stayed up the whole night. Like I probably must have said or haven't said, this hair actually took me about 6 hours to get done with, because I love to take breaks. I love to take my time when I make my hair. So maybe if you're going to do yours, maybe feel faster, or you don't take your time like I do, it's gonna take you a short period of time. And mind you, I have a lot of hair on my hair, and I have a considerable hair length, so all of this could kind of factor, you kind of have to factor all of that in when you're estimating the amount of time you would need to make this hairstyle, guys. So guys, see you guys in my next videos, guys. I'm really loving it. I'm really looking forward to having this for a very long time, because guys, as you can see, my hair is kind of tucked in. If you see here, you can see some strands of my hair coming out right there, but that means that my hair is separate from the extension, and that means my hair is not going to be fuzzing out of the extension. My hair is going to be really independent of that extension, and that on its own is a natural hair magic. Alright guys, see you guys in my next video while I enjoy. And don't forget to check out my other videos, hair videos here and there, to see actually how to take care of your long, natural, fussy hair. So guys, this is 6 weeks, exactly 6 weeks after I made this braid, and I just did it so that I can show you how long lasting these braids are. Like, they don't even look fuzzy. They do not even look fuzzy. And guys, if you've watched my videos, you know that I have a long natural hair. So I'll take down this tie so that I can show you how it looks. Or let me show you the back first, so you can see the new growth. You can see the new growth. You see? It's all right there. But the shaft itself is not too fuzzy. So I can keep this hair for longer if I want. It's not as fuzzy as it would have been if I did a regular kind of braiding. You see that? Look at that, look at that. And guys, with the way these braids are looking, I'm not even really thinking about taking them out to the next, I don't know. But guys, this doesn't mean that I'm not caring for it. Yes, I still moisturize my hair. Yes, I still massage my scalp. Yes, I still air my hair and let fresh air get into my hair, because wool is really heavy. But this is a blessing. Like, look at me looking fresh 1 month or 6 weeks later. I even thought I would be taking the hair out by this time, but look at me, look at me, looking all fresh, looking all fresh, looking like fresh, looking all fresh, looking all fresh.